There's certain places you can go to where you just feel at peace.
Judy Mason's peaceful place was here at the Laurel Bank Campground in Haywood County, which is about 3 hours west of Greensboro.
I would at least try once a year to go up there to the campground, and I'm so happy that I did in June. So I got to see her one last time in June before all this.
Judy loved being there and having friends and family visit. Last week, when floodwaters rushed through her quiet community, her life ended.
The last, she had told me she thought she'd still be at the camper and that it was going to end by 7. So when she says that, I'm thinking, okay, so it's not going to be that bad.
Last Tuesday, Judy's daughter tried to convince her mom, who was COVID positive, to leave her camper during Tropical Storm Fred.
That's the worst thing I thought would happen, is a tree would fall, on her camper, because she was surrounded by trees, not knowing that the river beside her would be what would take her.
The 73-year-old refused to leave, and families started worrying when they did not hear from her after the storm hit. Naomi Haney reported her mom as missing to Haywood County officials on August 18th.
The last someone saw her was in tire-deep water and, just driving as fast as she could out of there. But then that's when all the real scenarios in my head started playing out of what might have happened or could have happened. Did she make it across the bridge?
After heading to Crusoe, Haney learned Haywood officials found her mom's body 300 feet from her car.
But I had to see for myself, even though my whole family didn't want me to see it. Like, she's my mom. I had to make sure it was her.
Haney focused on her mom's hazel eyes and her hands to make sure it was her.
But it's like you grab your mom's hand so much as a child that you know what her hand looks like.
A moment of reality, loss, and peace, knowing her mother she lost is in heaven, surrounded by other people she loves.
Just knowing that she's in a better place, like she had just lost her mom in 2017, so I know that she's with her mom and her dad.